Hi mamas, welcome to Beyond Birthing. In this video, I will teach you 3 exercises to relieve sciatica during pregnancy. My name is Sophie Villeneuve and I'm a pelvic health physiotherapist who's all about helping moms to prepare and recover from birth while nailing your pelvic health. If this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe and press the bell button below so you don't miss anything. Sciatica is a type of pain that often starts in the buttock area and may also shoot down the leg. There are many reasons why sciatica is a common symptom during pregnancy, from postural to hormonal changes. In my practice, I've seen it flaring up at different stages of pregnancy, sometimes as early as the first trimester. So today I'll show you my top exercises to help relieving these symptoms during pregnancy. But if you're postpartum and watching this, you are welcome to try these exercises as well. They are appropriate for you too. The one thing I want to say before we get started is make sure that your pain does not increase with any of these exercises. If it does, please stop the exercise as it is likely not the right one for you. For the clarity of the instructions in this video, we will pretend that my sciatica symptoms are experienced on my right leg. The first exercise is the Piriformis Stretch. So the sciatic nerve goes through the piriformis muscle, which is a hip muscle, and when the piriformis gets tight, it often will translate into sciatica symptoms. So that's why we're going to stretch this muscle in the hope of making more space for the sciatic nerve. So sit on a comfortable chair and bring your right foot to your left knee. Lean forward by hinging at the hips while rotating your body towards the right. Hold the stretch for 30 to 60 seconds on the affected side. Our exercise number 2 will be massaging the piriformis muscle. I'm going to use a yoga tune-up therapy ball here because I like the grip and I find that it doesn't slip away when I massage, especially against the wall, but you can also use a tennis ball if you have one. So your piriformis muscle goes from your sacrum bone all the way to the hip bone. And you're going to massage all across the buttock area, all the way to your hip bone, so just behind the hip bone. Roll slowly back and forth along the piriformis muscle, rotating your body. We can also use a foam roller to roll your piriformis. So sit on your foam roller and bring your right foot onto your left knee. This is an important part because it will expose your piriformis muscle more than if you do not rotate your leg. Now shift your body weight onto your right buttock and start rolling back and forth between your sits bone and the hip crest at the top. You can spend between 2 to 5 minutes doing this or until you feel like the discomfort has decreased by 50% or more. Our third exercise is cat-cow. Cat-cow will help mobilizing the lower spine where the sciatic nerve is sometimes compressed. So you're going to go on hands and knees with your knees hip width apart. Pretend that you have a pole going through your hips and you will want to rotate your pelvis around that pole by tilting back and forth. So go ahead and start tilting the pelvis forward, picturing moving your tailbone towards the ceiling. Then do the opposite, so start moving the tailbone down, tilting the pelvis backward. Repeat this cycle 5 times. I hope this was helpful and thanks so much for watching.